So Rachel is staying over because we just got back from a book signing. I don't know if you can hear me, but we're talking really softly because my dad is sleeping in the living room. He fell asleep on the couch, and he is snoring really loud, like a bear. That's what my mom said. So I am gonna go walk really slowly and quietly.
You're not gonna be able to do it. You should make me do it because I'm ninja.
She says she should do it. I think I could do it.
Okay,
Fine.
go do it. Go do it.
So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna record him snoring. Okay. Okay, so did you guys hear that? Did you?
I hear it. My dad's so much louder. Oh my gosh.
So that's it. I'm gonna probably post this later because I thought it was hilarious. Most funniest thing in the world.
On YouTube?
No, I'm gonna post it on, I have no idea yet. Probably Twitter or Facebook or, yeah. This is my crazy fun life.
You record so close to your face.
I know my nose. My nose. My nose was like that close. It's like really close. Okay, so I have thought.
You don't even enjoy yourself.
So, I apologize for my nose.